Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D and we're back with another makeover Monday. So today's makeover, I'll be doing it on myself and we're gonna jump straight into it. But if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell, and drop me some comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this look. So I started off by cleansing my face with some Dickinsons Witch Hazel. I then went in with my Shea Moisture Coconut Oil Daily Lotion and moisturized my face, and I finished it off with some Luluholistics Eventone Serum. I do have combination skin, so I found that these two products give me the perfect balance with keeping my face moisturized under the makeup but not making it greasy. If you have combination skin like me, leave me some suggestions down below or any products that you think will work or helps with keeping your face hydrated underneath the makeup. So I did draw on my eyebrows. I just used a regular eyebrow pencil that I got from the beauty supply store, and now I'm cleaning up my brows with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color of Toffee. So in today's video, I will be attempting to do a cut crease. So I'm trying to make sure I am prepping these eyes well, just to make sure that the colors pop and everything like that. I'm not sure why I put on my primer now, but probably because I would forget in the long run. But now I'm just prepping the eyes again with some more concealer in a lighter color. I cannot remember the color that I actually used, but it's a lighter tone than the Toffee. So guys, I'm not going to sit here and tell you every single brush that I use, because honestly I don't even know the name of half of them. But I just, in general, I pick up the nearest brush that is going to get the job done. I'm not out here telling you I use brush MX 1011 MAC 1029. Like, no, not me. So I actually got this eyeshadow palette from Amazon, but it is my go-to when trying to get these reddish purplish kind of colored eyeshadows. Like, it has them on point. So I will leave it in the description bar below, the exact name of the palette and the store on Amazon that I got it from. So I really didn't realize that you wasn't able to see all the colors that I was referencing to, but I'm new to this editing thing, so I didn't really want to go back and have to edit the whole thing just to to put in the shot of the colors. So I'll be sure to make sure I get those colors shown in the next video. So with putting on these colors, I'm just making sure just to blend it out the best that I can, so it looks like a transition rather than some colors just burrowing together or on top of each other. So yeah, blending is key when it comes to these kind of eyeshadow looks. So to make sure that none of the colors get lost in the other colors that I've put on, I'm just going back over again in the same color that I applied before and just bringing up the colors and brightening them up a little bit more, and then blending them in so the transition's a lot smoother. Okay, and now it's time to cut the crease. So I did use my LA Girl Pro concealer to cut the crease, and I learned a little trick / tip from another YouTuber here. I can't remember their name, so I'm not just going to say some random person, but what it is that you put your concealer on your eyelids, and then you want to look up to the ceiling. When you look up to the ceiling, this is when you find out it's going to leave a little dot just where your crease really is. So you want to use that as your guide and reference, and you want to bring your concealer or eyeshadow primer just a little bit higher than that to create your curve, and then you just follow it around your eye, and that's how you get your cut crease in the right place. And guys, do remember, this is makeup, so if you do make a little error or mistake, just grab your the color that you were previously using, go back over it, and you kind of get a fresh palette again. So once you've cut your crease, you want to go in and set it with some powder. It can be foundation powder, setting powder, whatever you want to call it. I just used some setting powder and went over that area just to make sure that that concealer now doesn't move or spread to any other area. So I did want somewhat of a dramatic look, so I did go in with some black in the corners of my eye, just after where that crease kind of is finishing, and I'm blending it in so that the next color that I use will kind of transition into the black. So the next color that I did use was actually the color that I originally used to start off my whole eyeshadow look. So this is the purplish reddish color from that Amazon palette. Yeah. So now I'm going in with a gold that I got from my BH Cosmetics Nouveau Neutrals palette. I'm using like a glittery, shimmery kind of gold, just to kind of glam up this whole entire eye look. Yeah, so guys, let me know what you think. Do you prefer a glittery kind of eyeshadow, like literal glitter kind of sequins, or do you prefer like shimmery eyeshadows that give kind of like a goldish foilish look, or like a foilish look, not necessarily gold, but yeah, like a foilish kind of shiny kind of effect? For me personally, I don't currently have a preference because I feel like they both offer a different kind of look. But so for now, I'm just gonna say I prefer this shimmery color, but we'll see in the future if I'm gonna play around in some glitters. Like, I feel like they definitely bring a whole different character to the eyeshadow. Yeah, so let me know if you prefer glitter or shimmery eyeshadows, and comment below if you think I should do an eyeshadow look with some glitter. I might have to put that in the book. Yeah, so I'm about to put on some eyelashes. So I'm now prepping my eyelashes with some mascara, just to get them all going in the right direction and to make application a little bit easier. And now I am doing my eyeliner with my black Radiance Bold and Sexy eyeliner. I will show you it in a second once I've got the eyeliner on. But I really like this eyeliner because one side has the regular like pen, and then the other side has like it's got the shape of a wing on it, so it makes it easier for you to apply a wing if you want a wing on. So I really like that it has that, because I'm the type of person that kind of struggles with her eyeliner, especially the wing, so this comes in super handy. And remember what I said previously, guys, if you make a mistake, don't rub off your whole face. That is a waste of time. Just find that last color that you were using in that area and go over whatever little mistake that you made, just like I did with that eyeliner line. Covered it up with my gold shimmer. So now I'm applying my eyelashes. I did use my Duo lash glue, and I used the black side to put them on, because it makes life easier when you use the black instead of the white, because sometimes, you know, it sticks in the wrong place. You got to move it around and then it's just messing up everything. So if you're going with the black and you're on the eyeliner, you're sure to win. So now that the eyes are all done, I am going in with my foundation. I use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Java 375, and I'm just applying that to my whole face. So I know you might be wondering, hello, you did not apply anything in between them eyebrows. It still looks like a unibrow, but there is a method to my madness. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I get to fix that. And again, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm just highlighting and putting it in all the areas that I want to highlight: my forehead, under my cheeks, my chin, my nose. Yeah. And then I'm going in with a wet sponge, well, not a wet sponge, but a damp sponge, just to blend out all those areas. So now, unibrow be gone. Yes, I use my sponge just to blend out in between my eyebrows and to kind of use it to fade or give that kind of fade-ish look to the eyebrows, if you get what I'm trying to say. So now I'm just going to set all those areas with my Fit Me loose powder. I use two different colors, number 35, I can't remember the name of it, and number 40. So I use obviously the 35 on the highlighted areas and then 40 on all the other areas of my face, basically. So remember in the beginning of the video, I did say I have combination skin. So whilst yes, I'm using the setting powder, I don't really bake or use anything else because I don't want to dry out all of my skin, because it does really show patchy on me personally. So I use a bit of the setting powder and then I kind of dust off most of it and blend it in. Dust, 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 blend, blend, blend. So once I kind of dust all of the foundation or excess powder away, I then grab my sponge brush and dab it, use the rounded edge to dab it on my face. Sometimes I use some setting spray just to kind of make it a little bit more moisturized. So, well, not moisturized, more moisture is on my face, because like I said, too much powder kind of dries me out. So I use that and dab the sponge all over my face so that it becomes more skin-like again instead of being so powdery. Now I'm just grabbing my blush to apply to my face to bring back some color to my skin, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks. I use it some on my nose as well and some on my forehead, just to kind of rosy up my face and bring back life to my face. And the blush that I'm using is a Maybelline FIT Me branded blush as well. I can't remember the colour, sorry guys. But then I'm going to use my highlight from my Black Radiance contour palette, and I believe this is the medium to dark palette. So I'm just using that highlighter on my cheekbones, on my nose, my little, that little round part of your nose, yeah, that part, and in the middle of my nose, where in between my eyes, yeah, I don't know what that area, the bridge, whatever that area is called. And now I'm just going all over my face with just some regular face powder, foundation powder. So I noticed that this highlighter had a kind of reddish brownie tone. Let me know if you guys actually use or notice the difference with highlighters and the colors of the highlight. Me personally, I do prefer a goldish kind of with a yellowish undertone, but I guess this one works for the look that I'm doing. So now I'm grabbing my wig, which is from Empress Wigs by D. This wig's name is Empress Royal, and it is a 5x5 lace closure wig. So yes guys, look at how easy this application is. Oh my gosh, I love it. But yeah, I went and styled her with some waves or some crimps, if you want to call it that. And yeah, she has a middle part, and yeah, I'm just gonna, I didn't really put baby hairs per se, but I gave her some kind of something at the front, so it wasn't just like a straight line. So yeah, but look at how easy it was to apply her and to be done. I love lace closure wigs, guys. It makes life so much easier. Comment below if you wear wigs, or if you like have a preference between lace closure or frontal wigs. Let me know in the comment section below. So I put on some lip liner and some lipstick. So guys, you know what that means, right? We are done. Let's see the final look. done so already, please make sure to go and like this video. Comment below if you like this every week. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.